surplus and I'm just playing Fortnite, as you can see, because I'm bored, because there's nothing to do, but it's like, I can't tell time. But before, it's like 2 in the morning and I'm just doing random things. But I'll continue this when I wake up, see what today gives us. So yeah, good night guys. Alright guys, I just woke up and I'm about to go with my cousins to maybe buy a gun or just put the flooring. Cause we finished the flooring yesterday, but we're gonna put the trim around. So yeah, I'll pick it up. I'm about to go get dressed and I'll pick it up next time.
For the aim a little bit higher, remember?
I'm with my cousin, ugly man. What are we about to do?
Clean up.
How?
Like this.
And see, I'm about to
Knock it out.
paint the wall because
Because we're cool.
it's all different colors. With this big man, this fake chain. What did we just do
Nothing.
before we came here?
Play games and shoot guns.
What happened?
We broke a piece of wood.
How?
Trying to drive in the BMW. Sticking out the sunroof.
Alright, so we're about to try to return this.
Hopefully it goes good.
Yeah,
It all broke in the car. We were look what time we bought it. We
Yeah,
literally.
but you broke it. I can't. I don't
Well,
think
that's
I
why I wasn't asked. What can we do about it? Because we just
Nothing.
came out the Home Depot and this broke in the car.
Yeah.
Shouldn't put in the BMW.
I don't think there's anything I can do with it. Let me see if it goes by feet. If it goes by.
Alright guys, she ended up taking it, but she didn't take all of it because I don't know, but yeah, thanks for watching. It's a weird video, a bunch of jumping around. So yeah, this light is blinding me. But yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe if you haven't already and drop a like, even though I got like 5 subscribers, which is good I guess. But yeah, thank you. Have a good night.